them, let them have a happy life.
Who? The butterflies?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead and grab him. Okay, let's take it outside.
He locked it. You can have a happy life.
Let's take it over in the garage, or grass. Let's get it over here so we're not in the water, because the water will hurt them. Okay. You can, if you want, you could try to grab them and... Oh, there goes one.
That one.
There you go. Good job. Good job, Caitlin. Yay! They're all gone. See that one on the grass over there?
That one.
Oh, you got one more. Hold it for the camera once you grab it. Oh. There's one over there in the water, kind of by the water. No.
I gave it one.
You're trying to feed him.